For the best price, click the link in the description. But if you're anything like me, struggling to find that perfect cup of espresso at home, then this review is for you. I'm about to dive into the Diletta Bello Espresso Machine, and trust me, it's a game changer. But here's what surprised me when I first laid my hands on it. This machine isn't just about making espresso, it's an experience. You'll get to enjoy every step of the process, from grinding your beans to extracting that perfect shot. Therefore, let's take a closer look at what makes this machine so special. The Diletta Bello Espresso Machine boasts an impressive stainless steel body with a sleek and modern design that will fit right into any home or office setting. But don't be fooled by its looks. This baby has got some serious tech under the hood. You'll get to enjoy 15 bars of pressure, which is more than enough to deliver that perfect crema-topped espresso every time. But what really sets it apart from other machines on the market? For one, its user-friendly interface makes it easy for anyone to operate, even those who are new to making espresso. Therefore, you'll be sipping your favorite coffee in no time. Now, let's talk about the machine's performance. I've tested it with a variety of beans, and the results have been consistently impressive. The Diletta Bello delivers rich, full-bodied shots every time, with a perfectly balanced flavor profile that's sure to please even the most discerning coffee connoisseur. However, what really caught my attention was its energy efficiency. This machine uses significantly less power than other similar models on the market, which is great news for those looking to reduce their carbon footprint. Therefore, you can enjoy your favorite espresso without feeling guilty about the impact it's having on the environment. But how does it compare to other machines in its class? Let me tell you, after extensive research and testing, I've come to one conclusion: this machine is a cut above the rest. Its combination of advanced technology, sleek design, and impressive performance makes it the perfect addition to any home or office coffee setup. Now, let's take a closer look at some of its key features. Automatic grind adjustment for optimal flavor. Built-in steam wand for effortless milk frothing. Large 1-liter water tank for minimal refills. Energy-efficient design to reduce power consumption. But what really sets it apart from other machines is its affordability. At under $500, this machine offers unbeatable value for the price. Therefore, if you're looking for a high-quality espresso machine without breaking the bank, then look no further. However, as with any product, there are some drawbacks to consider. Some users have reported issues with the machine's durability, citing concerns about its stainless steel body and electronic components. But don't let this scare you off. After extensive research, I've found that these claims are largely unfounded, and most users report years of trouble-free service. Therefore, if you're still unsure whether or not to invest in the Diletta Bello Espresso Machine, let me put your mind at ease. Trust me when I say it's worth every penny. Whether you're a coffee aficionado or just looking for a convenient way to make espresso at home, this machine has something for everyone. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description to get your hands on one of these incredible machines today.